Welcome to HValley Tools, the new home of MLCS Woodworking and Eagle America. HValley Tools will proudly continue the 40-plus years of legacy of MLCS Woodworking and Eagle America by continuing to provide high-quality woodworking tools and accessories that you've come to know and trust. HValley Tools will be your one-stop shop for high-value tools and exceptional customer service while bringing a new era of innovation and possibility. We are expanding our selection to include new offerings such as a user-friendly and affordable 3D printers. Unlock endless customization possibilities and elevate your business with our small, powerful laser engraver. Transform your woodworking business with precision and efficiency using our state-of-the-art CNC machine. We invite you to join us in this exciting journey and discover the wide range of high-value woodworking tools and equipment that we may offer to bring your creative journey to life.